Hello, I am Ruth and I'm one of the fertility nurses. And if you're watching this, you are just about to start our assistance with conception cycle. So I wanted to break it down for you in a simple step-by-step process of how it all works. Step 1. The day you get your period, we will refer to as day 1. Please email us and we will book a blood test to check your hormone levels on day 2 or day 3. Testing your hormones ensures that everything is within expected ranges before starting treatment. We may order an ultrasound scan at the same time, again just to ensure that everything is nice and quiet before starting treatment. We will confirm with you that you have any medication that your doctor has recommended for this cycle, such as letrozole. Letrozole is a medication that very mildly or gently stimulates the ovary to produce 1 or 2 dominant follicles. Step 2. On day 2 or 3, you will have your blood test and you might have an ultrasound scan, and we will report back on your results later that evening, confirming everything is good to go. At this point, you will likely start taking letrozole and you will take it once a day for 5 days. Step 3. On day 8 or 9, you will start using ovulation kits. You can buy these in any local pharmacy. Use them at the same time each day. We recommend first thing in the morning. When you get a positive surge on the stick, please email us and we will book your blood tests and mid-cycle ultrasound scan. Typically, this would be around day 10 to 14, but it can vary depending on how long your cycle is. This blood test and scan give us an indication on when you are likely to ovulate, and then we will advise regular intercourse for the next 2 to 3 days. Step 4. Approximately 7 days later, we will check your progesterone levels to confirm ovulation. At this point, we might ask you to take a medication called Cyclogest, which will aid implantation. Step 5. We will then ask you to take a home pregnancy test around 10 to 14 days later, and that is a complete cycle summary. We are keeping everything crossed for you. Always get in touch at any point if you have any questions or any concerns. We are here to support you and guide you every step of the way.